We are dedicated to bringing the latest solution. Prophet Noah is bringing you this for free.
Have you been praying without results? Have you been doing spiritual works without any single results? Have you gone to a river to bathe? You've done so many cleansing, yet nothing is happening in your life? Listen to me, and listen to me very, very carefully. This February that is coming now, there must be a result in your life. Yes. What you want to do here is a very simple thing. Now, listen, you are using salt to get whatever you want in your life. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my beautiful people from wherever you're listening to my voice from. My name is Prophet Noah Emiko from Solution Arena. Yes, here in this family, we give out solutions to your problems. Now, please, if you know you are just coming here for the very first time, please do consider to subscribe to this channel, and to our beautiful subscribers and returning subscribers, God will continue to subscribe to your matters in Jesus' name. In this year, your life must change. I bet you, in this year, your life must change. Now, back to how you can use salt to get whatever you want in life. How you can use salt to get whatever you want in this life. Now, this particular recipe or this particular spiritual work can only be done and with this strong effect this February that is coming. Yes, this February that is coming. And I'm going to explain to you. Now, this February has 4 Mondays, 4 Tuesdays, 4 Wednesdays, 4 Thursdays, 4 Fridays, 4 Saturdays, and 4 Sundays. This is very, very unique. You understand me? But the thing that actually makes it more unique is the occurrence of the new moon on the very first day of the month. The occurrence of the new moon. And this new moon, if you were to be in my Telegram group, by the way, I'll drop the description in the description box. I'll drop a link to the Telegram group. If you are that group, you should know the importance of the new moon. Yes. Now, apart from the new moon, the number 4, when you go to the book of Genesis chapter number 1, verse 14 to 19, you will see that on the 4th day was when God created light. The 4th day of creation was when God created light. You understand me? You can see, I don't know if you are getting the linkage now. I don't know if you are getting the linkage. Yes, that's it. Now, we want to combine the power of 4 and the power of new moon to get what we want. I don't know if you get me. Oh, all right. Now, on the 1st of February, I'll be going on a prayer mission on a mountain. A prayer mission on a mountain. You can send your prayer requests that I'll be going with. On the 4th, I'll be coming down from the mountain. Now, on the 5th, we shall be going to the orphanage home and the old people's home to show love to them. Yes, if you cannot come with me, you can send your support. I will drop in my details for support to come in from Ghana, Nigeria, and global. You can see the informations there. Yeah. And in the description box below, I will also be dropping these informations there, so you can just copy and paste. You can use PayPal. If you are from Ghana, you can use your mobile money. And if you are from Nigeria, you can pay into my GT account, just as support, Now, after we've gone for that orphanage mission, after we've gone for that, the next thing you do, you go to the market and you buy salt. Every Friday in February, you buy 1 packet of salt. Every Friday in February, you buy 1 packet of salt. When you buy the salt, you come into your house. As you just enter inside your house, you begin to pray and decree what you want. Anything you want. Anything you want. Just begin to decree. When you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you take a little to cook. You take a little to bathe. Just put a little, maybe a pinch. You put inside your bathing water. You bathe. Then the rest, you take it to beggars. As you are taking it to beggars, you are decreeing, you say, I will not beg. Those things that you want God to provide for you, begin to declare them. You understand me? You begin to declare them. Make sure you do this for the 4 Fridays in February. Do not buy the salt on Thursday. Buy the salt on Friday and do this particular recipe that Friday. You understand? Then on Saturday, you take the salt and go and give it to the beggar. So you practice this thing. You do the buying on Friday. You use it to do your spiritual assignments. Then you give it out to the beggars on Saturday. You get it? Please make sure to say your intentions, as in you do your declarations each time you bring this salt into your house. Whenever you buy the salt from the market or you send someone to go and buy it for you, make sure you do your declaration on it. And anytime you want to take it out to the beggars, also do your declaration on it also. It's very, very important. Yes, very, very important. So guys, practice it. Come back with testimonies. Yes, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you know you've not done that. And like as I said, for the support for the orphanage home, I will be dropping my details and my Ghana contact details and the PayPal also on the description box below. God bless you guys. I love you and bye for now.